Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to unhide the like count on your threads or threads post on your threads application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to unhide the like count in threads for the threads in the threads application. So first of all, here you can see, so there was I had been hide the like count for each post, but you should unhide the like count. So just click on this three dot option, and here you will see option for unhide the like count. Just click this, so which actually unhide the like count. You can now see it's having 2 likes. So you should unhide the like count for each post if you are hiding the like already, so it will not unhide the like count on every post. You should do it individually. So here it's also, you can just click this and you can view who liked your post. It doesn't matter, but if you want to unhide, you just want to click unhide and just want to click unhide. The same process to hide the like count and also unhide the like count, the same process. You should do it for the individual post. You can just do it for the individual post or threads on the threads application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video which is super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.